Banner Stakes magnetic wall mount barriers secure to more surfaces than any other similar product in the market, with the use of its powerful magnets or integrated suction cups. The magnetic wall mount barrier allows for quick closure of docking doors, elevators, escalators, bathrooms, wide aisles, corridors, lockout tagout of down equipment, electrical rooms, creating an arc flash boundary, and many other uses. Designed to be surface-mounted when floor space is limited, the wall mount attaches to magnetic and non-magnetic surfaces, including but not limited to metal, stainless steel, glass, wood, and plastic. The unique design offers storage for the suction cups on the top and bottom of the main body when the cups are not in use, allowing for easy portability in any tool bag. The magnetic wall mount barriers are available in 7-foot and 30-foot belt options and come in a variety of colors and messages. Custom messages are also available. Banner Stakes magnetic wall mount barriers provide ideal safety solutions that will reduce liability and risk while allowing any company to stay in compliance and increase productivity. Protect yourself.